This was an unusual little 25 auto Browning blowback based on the Browning of 1906, but without grip safety. The distinguishing feature is the magazine. It is in the butt, but cannot be removed. The gun is loaded by sliding the right-hand grip downward, depressing the magazine platform and exposing the interior of the magazine casing. 6 cartridges can be dropped in until the magazine is full. Then the grip cover is replaced and the magazine spring/platform assembly returns to put the rounds under pressure. The slide is marked Firearms Manufacturing Automatic Pistol Radium, Cal 635. It was patented in April 10, 1913, under the number 54924. Sometimes called the cigarette pistol because of its appearance, the cartridges being stored inside the butt under a hinged grip. One of the Ibar type pistols, also called Ibarisas. Guillermo Echeverria and Valentin Vallejo, authors of the loading system patent. It was the first pistol made by Gabilondo y Aresti in 1913